Nissan alarms frequently trigger due to three main issues: faulty door hood switches, weak key fob batteries, and problematic proximity antennas. Door and hood switches signal when openings occur. Corrosion or stuck contacts can send false signals to the alarm system. A weak key fob battery weakens signals, causing lock-unlock failures that activate the alarm. Proximity antennas may fail to detect the key fob if misaligned or damaged, triggering the alarm as a security measure. These issues are prevalent in models from the 2010s and 2020s, like the Altima, Rogue, and Sentra. Start by inspecting and cleaning the door hood switches to remove any corrosion. Replace the key fob battery. Ensure it's above 2.5 volts. For the proximity antenna, check for any physical damage. If problems persist, consider a BCM reset via an OBD2 scanner. More advanced diagnostics might require a dealership tool to scan for specific error codes like B18, hood switch fault. Nissan has issued TSBs and recalls, e.g. Campaign ID PC592, to address these issues with free dealer reprogramming or part replacements, focusing on software glitches in the BCM and faulty hood switches.